Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change a flight with Vueling Airlines. Alright, so Vueling Airlines offers flexible options to modify your flight. Alright, and let me walk you through the process of getting that done. Before initiating a change, it's essential to know Vueling's policies. For time flex flights, unlimited changes, this offers unlimited changes without change fee, only pay the fare difference. For flex pack add-on, it offers one free change up to 2 hours before departure. All you need to do is to only pay the fare difference. For basic, optimal, or family fares, changes are allowed up to 2 hours before departure, with a change fee starting from €50 if more than 15 days before departure, or €60 if less than 15 days, plus any fare difference. Changes affect all passengers in the booking and must be made at least 2 hours before departure. Origin and destination cannot be changed. Now, how do you access the Vueling web app? Now, navigate to vueling.com on your browser. Ensure you're on the official site to protect your personal information. And once you get into the home page, just go ahead and click on My Trips tab, typically found at the top left corner. And once you do that, tap on that and it's going to take you to the My Trip section, where you will be prompted to enter your email address here and your booking code, and click on Go to access your booking details. Now, within your booking details, go ahead and check for the flight that of course, once you enter your booking code and your email, it's going to take you to the exact booking details, or your exact booking. Just confirm that that's the booking you want to make changes to. So once you're in the booking details page, click on the change flight option and select the flight segment you wish to change. Choose your new desired date and time, review the available options, and select the one that suits you best. Changes must be made at least 2 hours before the original departure time. Now, after selecting your new flight, review any applicable fees or fare differences. Confirm the changes as well. Proceed to payment if necessary. Once confirmed, you receive an updated booking confirmation via email. Also, you can use the Vueling mobile app. So, download the Vueling app. The app allows you to change flights, check in, download boarding passes, and more. So, if you encounter issues or have special circumstances, you can contact them using the Spain line at 900-645-000 or 931-225-400. For United Kingdom, 020-3514-3971. For United States, +1 202-695-8708. For the rest of the world, it is +34 931-518-158. Live agents are available Monday to Sunday, 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. Spanish time. Changing your Vueling flight is straightforward when you know the steps, so always check your fare conditions and act promptly to avoid additional fees. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.